Alright, so if you're like me, your Ford Taurus, this is a 2001 Ford Taurus SES, and if you're like me, the radio in the front seems to be working. It's a stock radio, but you're not having any sound coming out of your speakers, and when you do, it's intermittent, and sometimes it pops in and out, and you can hit a bump and it'll stop working. So I've been working on this problem for about 2 weeks, and this is what is in here. I have a line out converter installed, and at first I thought it was the line out converter. I thought that I accidentally broke one of the wires and it wasn't getting a good connection, but that wasn't the case for me. So what I tried, and it literally worked about a day. What I did is I made these little wood discs, and try to hold the camera here, and I put it underneath the plug, and that seemed to work for a day, and then it stopped working, and it kept on having the same problems. So after a little bit of experimenting, there's this little plate that goes over, honestly, not exactly sure what this is. I'm pretty sure it's the stock amp for the door speakers and the 6x9s in the back. But what I found that works is this little plate. I would press down on it and my speakers would start working. If I stopped pressing, then the speakers would cut out again. So what I did was, there's some carpeting or whatever. There's a little piece that I had, let's see if that'll focus, that I just kind of found in the trunk. I didn't have to cut it off of anywhere, but I hot glued a couple pieces on top of each other. Then there's going to be a foam piece, and that's going to already be there. Then I just put that foam right back on top. So I'm going to cut out the video and see if that works. I forgot to mention this metal plate that goes over it is secured by 4 of these little what is this, star-headed screws. Let's see if it'll focus. Alright, it doesn't seem to want to focus for me, but you're going to need a star bit, kind of like that, if you can see that alright. Kind of like that to get them off. Alright, I just got the plate installed, and let's go. We're going to test it out.
She's dancing like a stripper. You used to call me on my.
Alright, so as you can see, it's working really good, and I hope that if you are having that problem, that this solution works for you.